In this video, we'll show you how to open the camera on your Dell laptop. Start by going to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and typing Camera. When the Camera app appears in the results, click on it to open it. Wait a few seconds and your laptop's camera should turn on. Once it's active, you can take photos or record videos. You can also adjust the camera settings if needed. If your camera isn't working, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then scroll down and click on Privacy, and from the left sidebar, select Camera. Make sure these options are turned on. Allow access to the camera, allow apps to access your camera, allow desktop apps to access your camera. After enabling these settings, your camera should work without any issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching.